This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, TV, oven, water heater, awning, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, external shower, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VBH is 9,500 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT343 VBH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.